punch me in. They see me in, I won't ever lose them, but I was.
So I'm out here in central Sweden, in the northern part of Sweden. I woke up an hour ago and I just have made myself my morning brew. And I'm chilling on the balcony. Just been reading some 100 Million Leads by Alex Hormozy. It's actually my second time reading that book, but it's fire. And also been just finishing up on some client work.
So I got time to be tripping and writing no love song, yeah. Writing no love song, we all experience love loss, yeah. Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again. I'm running this shit like, hey Jay, that's my name. Little bro, nigga from down LA. About 6'1" with a low top.
So yo, it's exactly 8 p.m. now. I got home a few hours ago. The only stuff I've done today really is I went to the gym and then I picked up a brand new laptop. I'm no big money spender, to be honest, but 1.3k US on normally a $2,000 laptop seemed like a sweet deal. Here you have it. Loading out into voice flow now. So for your tech nerds, it's a Ryzen 9 with 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM and a 3K OLED display at 120 Hz, I believe. So that is real eye candy. But now I'm just going to crack on with some client work and also plan my upcoming videos. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. So it's May 17th now. The clock is 8:10 and I've been awake for pretty much like an hour and 20 minutes. I've just had a cup of coffee and I'm doing some math, and like, no joke, even though I graduate in like 2 or 3 weeks, I think I'm still going to be like the only one still doing math. Even after graduation, but this shit's hard as fuck. But yeah, so today I'm just gonna finish up some work, study, hit to the gym and go downtown for quite some while, and also visiting my cousins and stuff. So yeah, fun day. I'm just gonna get right back to it. So it's almost 10 p.m. now on Saturday, as you can see, maths. But now it's almost 10 and I'm tired as fuck, but I'm just going to keep on grinding. I'm probably going to edit this video. Say my name, too dope, cool nigga ain't she changed. Bad that bitch, shorty screaming my name, and the phone sped off with a brand new chain. Nah, nigga, none of these fine.
Du får vara liggande också. Oj, hör du?
Niggas know we ain't doing no hiding. When we push a night, here come the sirens. 33 bags with some brand new Givenchy. I just put that bitch in a drop top. Up in the kitchen, ain't cooking no Winnie, but shawty said she want a hot bite.
So it has actually been 3 days since I last recorded for this video. So the last time I recorded, it was Sunday. Now it's Wednesday. I went home the day after, so I didn't record. And yesterday I pretty much just unpacked all my stuff and I studied for my math maths exam that I have tomorrow. And bro, I'm telling you guys, like after this math exam, I just have a simple English presentation, then I'm done with school for good. So I can't tell you how good it feels, but it's truly amazing. Now I've just been doing some editing, which I hope you've seen already, because yeah, I recorded some. Now I'm just gonna grind. Exciting afternoon ahead.